Hello, today we're going to be making a number counter in Scratch. As you can see, this works very well, and also, if you leave it at a number, it'll create this nice, smooth effect. So let's get started. First, paint a sprite. Name it Numbers. Use the text tool. Make it any font. And make sure the fill is black. And type in 1 and put it right in the middle. And name it Costume 1. Now repeat this process until you get to 9. Just duplicate the 1 until it's a 9 and duplicate it one more time. And at the 10th, you name it into 0 and change it to a 0. And yeah. And also, at the 2nd, you name it a 2. At the 3rd, you name it a 3. At the 4th, you name it a 4. At 5th, you name it a 5. And just name it all the way until it's at 9. A 7. Then an 8. And lastly, a 9. Then duplicate the 0. And name it a minus for the negatives, and turn it into a negative number, minus. Then name it plus. Then turn it into a plus. Duplicate that. Name it into a dot. And then in here, do a dot. And put it in the middle. Duplicate it again. And this time a E. And that's the last thing. Now, make a variable named digits. For this sprite only. Then, when green flag clicked, set size to 120, then hide, and then repeat 50 times. 50 times. Set digit to 0 at the top of this repeat loop. Change digits by 1, and lastly, create a clone of myself. Then, when I start as a clone, show. Then a forever, and then a go to in the forever loop. And then do a plus in the X, then a times, and then another plus in this slot, and then 2 divides in both of the second plus things. Then in the second plus things of the divide, do 10 here and 25 here. And then do by size. And then in here, put digits. And in here, just do a 0. And also you can change it to any other number you would like. And now, do a if else. And then make a new variable named Numbers for all sprites. And turn it into a slider. and then right click it and change, and then click change slider range. Do it to 1000.00, and then the minimum will be 0, and then click OK. Now if you slide it, it'll also go by the points. And then now if digits is greater than the length of numbers, then hide. But if it isn't, then show in the else. Then put show in the else. And also do switch costume to letter, digits, letter, digits of number. And now do a change size by, then put in a divide, and then a 5, and then a minus, and then 100 in here, and duplicate the size of the thing. And now if you use it, as you can see, it'll be a 0. But if you go up, it will change, and also has the dot. And if you want to see the plus, then instead you can, in this place, you can set numbers to, say, 10 plus 10. And then it will show up 10 plus 10. And also, the E, instead of setting it, you can do this. And then make the max value just spam 9s. And then you'll have lots of numbers until you reach there, and then as you can see, you'll create this. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.